It is look like the character from the PUBG. You can see. Oh my god. जय जगन्नाथ सांग मैंने वेलकम टू ए न्यू ब्लॉग। आशा करते आप बहुत भलरे खुशी थे मुझे बहुत भलरे खुशी अच्छी। आज ये फ्राइडे माने आप भावुए फ्राइडे मुझे पुणी टाइम 3टा कुआड़े मुझे बुलाया जाऊँगी। एक्चुअली एटी काली माने गुरुवार गला आज फ्राइडे माने 1 तारीख 2 तारीख आंकर कौन छुट्टी थी गोटे माने इंटरनेशनल लेबर डे बाकी आंकर गोटे अलग कौन गोटे माने गणति करा जाए बोधे जदि मुझे जाना पाइली मुझे स्क्रीन लिखिदेवी जे कौन आंकर हॉलीडे थिला 2 दिन। तो आपण मैंने जानी थे प्रीवियस वीडियो रे मुझे आपको कही जे माने 2 जन इंडियन नुआ आसचंती माने यही एप्रिल मसरे ही गोटे है तमिलनाडु आउ जने है वेस्ट बेंगल रु झीटा। तो से 2 जन मत रिक्वेस्ट कले जे सिटी जावाई केमती कौन जी मेट्रो रे केमती कौन ट्रैवल करेंगे। तो आज गाइडेंस हिसाब से माने सिटी जी सिटी रे तापरे किछि आमे शॉपिंग करि परिबा नहीं तो कोठी गोटे बुलिबा। तो एबे जान डिसाइड करिनु किंतु ये ब्लॉग टी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहिबो आपण माने एंड तक देखंतु आउ आर एंजॉय भी करंतु। देखा कौन हो किंतु ये ब्लॉग टी आपण माने माने से जे तमिलनाडु से इंग्लिश रे कथा हुए से हिंदी जानिनी आउ जे वेस्ट बेंगल रु से हिंदी रे कथा हुए आउ इंग्लिश रे भी कथा हुए। तो ये ब्लॉग टी माने 70% रहिबो इंग्लिश तापरे हिंदी भी कहवा किसी तापर ओडिया कहवा अल्प टिके। तो आपण मैंने मन दुख किसी करेंगे ना आउ जदि कौ भाई भौणी मैंने कहे यदि माने ओडिया आम देखापी आसू ओडिया न कहीकि अलग लांगुएज तो आपण मैंने बुझीपारे एमती नुहे बुझीपारे ना। तो आप देखु ये आंकर व्यू अच्छी। आज बहुत खरा भी होता आउ गरम भी बहुत किंतु एबे स्टार्ट होगा पाखापाखि आज 32 टेम्परेचर थिला। आउ एठी देख पारे गोटे कुकुर धरिकी से आमर आंटी जड़े आम दीपर है छेली गोरु नहीं जाऊना बाड़ी बाड़ी को तांकर सेमती कुकुर धरिकी समस्ते चलाबुला करती कुकुर किए बिलई कि आंकर छेली गोरु जोटी पाइले मैंने से मारिक खाईदेवे। तो प्रायतः मैंने कुकुर बिलई रखती से 2 जन कड़े आसले छकरे मुझे कहीदी जे देखा बोली जाए आसना आसले इंट्रोड्यूस करोच वीडियो रे प्रीवियस वीडियो में इंट्रोड्यूस कर नी। ए आम आउचु इनबसियादी सेंटर मेट्रो स्टेशन आप जानते हैं इनबसियादी सेंटर मेट्रो स्टेशन रे मोर पाख लोकेशनटा। सो देन वी विल गो टू द इनबसियादी देन वी विल गो टू गोंगसिया नॉर्थ फ्रॉम गोंगसिया नॉर्थ वी विल गो to the some mall or some shopping complex where we can get the clothes also and shoe also. Let's see what we will buy. And you can see these two, they are Indian, they are from Indian. Mohan bro, just say hi.
Hi.
And she is Sutitra from Kolkata. so we will talk you after reaching Gongxia North, and from there we will go to the mall or shopping mall. We have now arrived at Gongxia North, so we are now going to the exit number 9, and from there we will go to the shopping mall. The Gongxia North look like a airport kind of structure, so I can show you some video. You can see after this. We already arrived near to the mall, and we are heading to the One Avenue Shenzhen, where you can get everything like clothes, shoe. I will show you how it looks like, and you can see the look how it looks like. in the outside. केते बढ़िया लागुनी मस्त पूरा लागुची पूरा व्यू पूरा अच्छे. So this is the city, you can see. I think we are almost reached. I think this is, you can see na, welcome to One Avenue. No, I am just asking. And now you can say like how you feel like after coming through the metro. It is better from India, or how you feel?
Experience for us. Yeah. Subscribers. You also to China
You also come to China. So how they will come without visa
travel.
for travel? Yeah,
What visa? Tourist visa.
tourist visa.
Yeah.
This is the most decorous place in Shenzhen. You can see how all the places are decorated and everyone are taking the photos also here. Just see, it is look like the character from the PUBG. You can see. Oh my god. If you are coming new, just subscribe to my channel, and you can see how it would look like. बहुत सुंदर लागुन भाई मैंने. Oh my god. Just before previous section you saw like we went to the Gongxia North Station, and from Gongxia North Station we just went to a shopping mall. The shopping mall name was like One Avenue, and where you can find like any kind of branded products, but we did not buy there because we cannot afford that much of branded product, because we are not that much of rich, so that's why we did not buy anything there. So just we came here to buy something. No, we will go there. So to buy something or to see any electronics products here, because they also want to see the electronics products, like how cheap is here. So that's why I took them to come here. And let's see, we will see some electronics products, and if you find any convenient you can buy. And I am planning to buy the screen guard of my mobile also, and something if I'll find with cheap I can buy also. After this I have talked with a Chinese guy also, so where we can find with less price all the clothes and the shoe also. He have suggested one location, so we'll go there and we'll buy something. Let's see how it will be go so far. So you can see how it is the crowded place here. Just see all the buildings here. You can find any electronics products everywhere. You can see, like you can see this is the iPhone, but you cannot guess like it is original or duplicate. There is iPhone original store also in just behind, like in the side you can see and in the opposite also you can see many electronics products also. So this is the Shenzhen like main market, we can say, like the electronics hub. And this is the second largest electronics market in the China also. And see the crowded here. Bro, do you want to say anything, or what do you want to buy?
No. I want to see the iPhone prices here.
iPhone prices.
Yeah, I have to compare.
You can find like different prices. One from the original store. This is the original store.
Okay.
And there was many shops. Okay. And you can find many shops inside also, inside the building also.
Okay, we can see.
So you can see this is the Lenovo store, then HP, then Huawei. The Huawei store is the famous store of China. That is made in China. Yeah. So here you can check the laptop price also. First we will go to the building. So we will go inside the building and we will find if any product will suitable for us, then we will buy. Otherwise, we will go back. So now you can see this is the main electronics market building, and it is 6th floor. And in every floor you will find definitely any electronics product. You can see how the buildings look like. Just see how it look like. So we'll go inside and we'll find some suitable product for us, and we'll see how it looks like. $29, $30.
Now they are selling the market.
ଏବେ ଟାଇମ୍ ହେଲାଣି ପାଖାପାଖି 10ଟା ଟାଇମ୍ ହେଲାଣି। ଆସିକି ଏବେ ଆସି ଜଷ୍ଟ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲୁ ଆମେ କି ପାଇଁ ନା ଆମେ ମେଟ୍ରୋ ଷ୍ଟେସନରୁ ଆସିଲୁ। ଆସିଲା ପରେ 3 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଜୋର ଭୋକ ଲାଗିଥିଲା। ତାପରେ ସେଠି ମାନେ ବାଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଠି ମୁସଲିମ ମାନେ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ସେଠି ଆମେ ଡିନର୍ କଲୁ। ଡିନର୍ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଏବେ ଆସିକି ରୁମ୍ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲି। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏକା ହିଁ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ କଲି, ସେମାନେ 2 ଜଣ କିଣିଲେନି କି ପାଇଁ ନା ତାଙ୍କର ଏବେ ନୂଆ ଜଏନିଂ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ମାନେ ସାଲାରୀ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି, ତ ସେଇପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କିଛି କିଣିଲେ ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଥିଲି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦେଉଛି ପଇସା ଦେଉଛି ତୁମେ କିଣ, ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ନା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ସେମାନେ କିଣିବେ। ଆଉ ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କିଣିଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ମାନେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଜିନିଷ, ମାନେ ଟି ସାର୍ଟ 3ଟା କିଣିଲି, ତାର ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ 2ଟା କିଣିଲି, ତାପରେ ଆଉ ମାନେ ଲୁଇ ଭିଟରର ମାନେ ସୁ ବି କିଣିଲି। ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ ଆସିଲା ଏଇ ମାନେ ସୁଟା, ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖାଉଛି। ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ 3ଟା ଟି ସାର୍ଟ ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି, ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଏପୁଲର ଏଇଟା ଆଣିଲି ମାନେ ଇୟରଫୋନ୍ଟା, ଆଉ 2ଟା ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ଆଣିଛି। 2ଟା ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ମସ୍ତ ଲାଗିଲା। ଆଉ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଲୁଇ ଭିଟର ଟାଣା କେମିତି ହେଇଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ମସ୍ତ। ଏତିକି ଆଣିଲି 3ଟା, ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ପସନ୍ଦ ଆସିଲା ଏଇ ମାନେ ସୁଟା। ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଏଇ ବ୍ଲଗ୍ଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରି କହିବେ। ଆଜିର ବ୍ଲଗ୍ରେ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିଥିଲି କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ। ବାକି ଯଦି କିଛି ମୁଁ ଭୁଲ କହିଥିବି ତ ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦେବେ, ଫରଗିଭ୍ କରିଦେବେ। କି ପାଇଁ ନା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ୍ କରିବା ଟିକେ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ, ମାନେ ସବୁ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ତ ମନକୁ ଆସିବ ନାହିଁ ନା। ତ whatever I tried my best to speak English, but let's see in future if I will continue with English, then I can also continue, and not like fully English, like mixing Odia mix and English mix and Hindi also mix. So I'll mix. So it will be better like my friends who are here, so their family also trying to watch my blog also, so they can understand my blog also. So that's why I am trying to mix it so everyone can understand easily. And if I'll speak in between Odia also, they can little bit understand. It is not like that they will fully blind. I mean they will not understand everything. सो आज ब्लॉग को आम ये एंड करवा. तो आपण मानू केमती कौन लगला प्लीज कमेंट करी कहिबे. आदि कहीं नुआ ये ब्लॉग को देखुवे प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. इफ एनीवन न्यू टू वॉच दिस ब्लॉग प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड आई विल ट्राई टू मेक in English also, in Hindi also, like mixing, so you can understand. So good night, take care, bye bye. We will see with new blog, new content. Bye bye.